The limitations of the flat plate foamies is that when you get them going too fast, they get this wild pitch maneuver where they'll go down or up real fast because there's not an airfoil up there. It's just a flat plate, which works fine at slower speeds. When you get it up there, it doesn't work. Now, another disadvantage with foamy planes is that you try to put a real airfoil on them, and it's just too complicated. You got to get the roundness and the foil, and good luck with that. So the KF airfoil comes along, and it's just perfect. It lets the plane fly as if it has a real airfoil, and then some. So here's the 4 reasons why we love it so much. Number 1 is the KF gives the plane a lot of strength. So not even to the airfoil yet. It's that the extra foam up towards the front half of that wing, all of a sudden it's like adding a whole bunch of extra carbon. Number 2 is KF airfoils are simple to make, and they're not picky. Here's the deal. You basically go 40% of your wing, so from here to here, you measure half and go slightly forward of that. And the wingtip, measure half, and you go slightly forward of that, about 40% we found. And you draw a line, and there's your KF airfoil. What if you go 45%? What if it's off a little bit? What if it's too thick or too thin? You know what? KF airfoil doesn't really care. But we found you just get something that looks like a KF airfoil on the plane, and boom, it responds right away. And what goes on with the KF airfoil, if you don't know, is that the air comes over the wing, creates a air bubble back there, and then the air comes over the top of that and acts as if an airfoil. And this is a real thing. You can look it up. We do have more of the story of the KF airfoil, as well as a little bit more details of how to put it together and all that kind of stuff in our RC Ultimate audio course. Yes, there it is again, number 27, the module. It's titled KF airfoils. Number 4 is KF airfoils come in a variety of configurations. Now, there's basically 4. Last I checked on the internet, guys have gone crazy. There's a whole bunch of different designs. But the basic 4 is, number 1 is the upside down one. That's the first one they started with. I never had really any good luck with that one, so skip that one. Number 2, that's the one we use the most. That's just one piece of foam. That turns that flat wing into an airfoil. Really, really good. Number 3 is the double decker. So you're getting a bigger step in the front, followed by a smaller step. That creates more drag, but it creates a lot more lift. That's a heavy lifter. So use that on planes where you need a lot of lift, maybe a camera plane, something like that. And then number 4, that's the sport one. That's the one where you got the KF on the top and the bottom. That if you're going for just speed and precision. I mean, when you go to roll, boom, 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 the controls are really responsive with the KF4 on it. Next Monday, we'll be talking about the 4 advantages of the Dynam Grand Cruiser. And if you need any help right now setting up a KF airfoil on your airplane, we got a bunch of free information on our forum, as well as Module 27 in the RC Ultimate Audio course at our website, rcpowers.com.